Brakes are a primary safety system on your Mercedes-Benz, and they need to be well maintained if you want to stop safely, predictably, and immediately. Over time, with regular use, your brake pads get worn and eventually need to be replaced. If you allow your brake pads to wear down too much, the brake pad itself will wear out completely. At that point, the metal backing plate that holds the pads makes contact with the brake rotor. With metal-on-metal contact, you'll damage your brake rotor and can experience increased stopping distances. Here are some ways to know you need new brake pads. Your brake pad replacement light is illuminated in your dash. Your car steers or pulls to one side when you brake. Each time you brake, you hear grinding or scraping. How often you get your brake pads replaced depends a lot on the type of driving you do. If you're an urban driver and use your brakes a lot, you'll need brake service more often than someone who does most of their driving on the highway. When it's time to service your brakes, make sure you use genuine Mercedes-Benz brake pads. Not only are they an exact fit, but they guarantee you the same level of stopping power and longevity as your car's original brake pads. In an emergency situation, every extra foot of stopping distance counts. To ensure you can stop when you need to, trust your brakes only with your Mercedes-Benz certified technician.